Welcome back. You're here with us on NDTV Profit. Let's see how the markets are doing right now. As we speak, Nifty is down about 27 odd points at 7,708. SENSEX is also lower by a little around 102 points at 25,159. Let's talk about Symphony. This stock is in news. This company is in news. The stock is up little over 0.5% with a gain of about 13 odd rupees per share. They have launched world's first wall-mounted air cooler, which is cloud. Mr. Achal Bakeri, who's CMD at Symphony, is now joining us on the phone line. Sir, thank you very much for being with us here on NDTV Profit. It's a pleasure to have you on the show. Can you share some details about this new launch? What kind of revenues are you looking forward to?
Well, it's a little too early for us to sort of make projections about that, but I can tell you a little bit about the product. That this is the first of its kind where an air cooler is actually mounted on a wall. It looks like a split air conditioner. It looks exactly like a split air conditioner, and because it's mounted on a wall, it doesn't occupy any floor space or doesn't occupy a window as conventional air coolers do. Moreover, this doesn't have an outdoor unit. So it just hung on a wall like a painting, and the price point is less than 15,000 rupees, and it consumes very little energy, 1/10 that of an air conditioner, and it has many other compelling advantages. So and because of this innovation, the first of its kind in the world, we have applied for a global patent, and we expect that this product should be a game changer in the years to come, in the times to come for Symphony, not only in India but internationally as well. So we have very high expectations internally from this product, but this is just a soft launch in Ahmedabad yesterday, and we will be rolling it out in Gujarat in the coming weeks, and then subsequently a pan-India launch in the coming months.
So for the customers, will it be available this summer?
It is already available in Ahmedabad as we speak, and in Gujarat in the next couple of weeks. And yes, it will be available, by and large in most parts of the country, during the course of the next 3-4 months.
So where is it getting manufactured, and what's the capacity that you're working on right now with this?
We are, at the moment, it's just a sort of, like I said, it's a test launch. So we are, not really manufacturing at full capacity, but our capacity, manufacturing capacity for this product is significant. So it can, we can certainly produce whatever the market can require in the times to come.
But currently it's being manufactured where, and what is your target, say, for the number of units that you are aiming to? What kind of investment are you making for this?
Oh, again, like I said, it's a soft launch, so we really haven't, made any projections or any targets at the moment. It's more of a sort of dipping our feet in the water, kind of a thing. And so it is something which, a little premature for us to really know where this is headed in terms of numbers. But we have made significant investments in this product, not only in the capex, but also in the R&D development, which has been going on. This product was first conceived over 20 years ago, but it had technical challenges as to how do you get a cooler on a wall, and where does the water come from, where is the water stored, those kinds of issues, which we finally, our R&D team cracked, a couple of years ago. And so we have invested, significant amount of money in its R&D and in its tooling. But this is a product which is currently being manufactured at one of our OEM plants near Pune. But we are geared for big volumes in the times to come.
The concept, it sounds very interesting. Any sort of a target that you have, in terms of, I know it's too early to give us a projection in terms of revenue, but, the kind of opportunity that you see from this one, any sort of a projection that you have in mind, because this entire concept looks very interesting. And second, the summer has been pretty hot as well so far.
Yes. Let me give you an idea of the bigger picture. Every year something like 4 million split air conditioners are sold in the country. So we would be happy even with a small slice of, of that market.
Right.
Okay, and globally, God knows how many split air conditioners are sold. It would be in the tens of millions. So we believe the market opportunity is significant.
All right, Mr. Bakeri, thank you very much for joining us here on NDTV Profit and sharing with us the details of this new launch that has taken place. So this Cloud, which is a wall-mounted air cooler, it looks like an AC, but it's actually a cooler. So far, no projections on the kind of revenue that they are seeing, but expect good volumes from this one. With this, we wrap up the show. Don't go anywhere. After a quick break, Power Lunch with Manvi is coming up.